This is a 2013 Chevy Impala. Changing the air filter. Just showing you how I get to it. It's a little tight. If you try to do it, it's pretty tight. So what I do is, of course, the clamp here, cut the hose clamp, undo that, and then what I do is I take out the see this sensor here, the sensor that goes right in there. I tried to unplug it. It's not doing it. It just feels like it's gonna break. So I just the Torx head screws, 2 of those. Just did those, got them out. And with the sensor, be careful not to scratch it. Just keep it clean, don't damage it. So yeah, so after that, and then I went ahead and you can just set it aside. You can set it aside like that because there is this hose attached. But if you just squeeze this, this side, and this comes off real easy. So you can get that out of the way. I take it off so I can clean it really good. Clean it and then I armor all it. The same with the other part of the box. And then what I did is I removed this so I can go ahead and clean it. It's just easier. But you know, if you don't want to go that far and do that much. So now the thing is you see this brace I took off. Show you that. Okay, took this. See, this brace is 213 millimeters there, 13 millimeter back here, and there's a little plastic deal for the wire. You gotta just push down out of the way, or you can just leave it and just push this, you know, over to lean it on to the side there, out of the way. But anyway, why I did that is because to get the box out, the back side of the box. There's, let's see if you can see it. Flashlight. So back here, yeah, you see right there, that little piece right there is one there. There's one right there. Let's see, where is it? There it is. It's right there, and there's 3 like little nipples. They go into the bottom of the box there. So the thing is though, see this thing underneath, it's all loose. So if it was secure, you could probably leave the brace in and then just lift up the air box. It'll probably come out. But when you lift it up, this thing comes up too. So to undo those. So anyway, yeah, so I took that off. So that's it for the air filter. Mine's pretty nasty. So I'm changing that, and I think that's it about right there. Yeah, that's in there. So, and then also what I'm doing is the cabin filter. So the first thing to do for the cabin filter is go ahead and put your wipers up a little, up out of the way. Go ahead, turn the key, turn the wipers on. When the wipers go up, just turn the key off and you're good. Those are out of the way. Okay, and then what you want to do is there's a plastic clip. Let's see, it goes right in here. Plastic piece here. Okay, and I'll show you. I'll grab that real quick. Let's see, here it is. Okay, it's just a little plastic deal like that sits inside this piece. Okay, sits in there. You just get a screwdriver and lift this up, and then some needle nose pliers. It's easy to pop it out. Okay, and then once this is up like this, go ahead and you can see the seal. And you just pull that out of the way about to where the wiper is. Okay, and then you lift up the plastic, and you're going to see a plastic piece like this, just to cover. Just lift it up. This comes out of the way. Okay, and then once that's out of the way, you'll see the filter. Okay, the filter comes out real easy. Just wiggle it. It's pretty flimsy. That one's nasty, so I'm going to replace that. But see, that's inside there. That's where the filter goes. But that's about it. That's how easy it is to get to the filter. There's another clip on the other end here. You can just leave that one in place because you can lift up enough just by removing this one clip. And that's it. And then while I'm in there, I'm cleaning this piece of plastic. I wiped it down so it's nice clean when it goes back in there. So that's everything for the cabin filter. And then for the regular air filter, so that's about it. It's just imagine, like I was saying, as far as the air filter, it is tight. It's just to get in there, so it's just easier to move the front cover there, or at least, like I said, undo the sensor or undo the plug. If you can undo the plug, that's fine. But it was easy to just undo the sensor, pull it out, and then just deal right here, clamp, and then right here, and then it's out of the way, and you get to the filter easy. And then just, yeah, it's easy step. So sorry, I hope this helps, and so thanks for subscribing.